In this video tutorial, we will review the Percent Plan Complete board, also known as the PPC board. Once the scoring of the project dashboard is complete, you will enter the information from the wipe down on this board. Under the weekly analysis header, we will have 3 sections to fill in. The top left corner indicates tasks completed and task promised. We know from scoring the board we completed 7 out of 9 tasks. Enter 7 under task completed and 9 in the task promised. Below this box is the weekly team score. This is determined by dividing the task completed into the task promised. In this case, it is 7 divided by 9, giving us a score of 78%. For the root cause analysis section, we know that one task was not completed due to manpower, which is number 2, and one was missed due to other, which is number 8. On the bar chart, fill in one square above the number 2 and the number 8. If there were multiple tasks completed items missed, on the single root cause, you would fill in one square for every item missed. This creates a visual reminder to the team of the areas needing improvement. Next, we have the 13-week Key Performance Indicators section. This section allows the team to track the project performance over a long period of time. The week and date range in the middle of this section applies to the current week being scored and corresponds with the section immediately above and below the date. In the team performance header, you will enter the same 7 tasks completed and the 9 tasks promised. Enter the team performance percentage, which was 78%. The root cause analysis is where you will enter the root cause for the task items missed. As previously determined, manpower and other were the reasons for the missed task. Enter 1 at both the manpower and other section. Total all of the missed items for the week and enter that number at the bottom. Below this section, you will enter all your information on the line graph. On the left, you will see numbers 1 through 4. On our example, you will see the number 1 is orange. The orange lines on the graph indicate the project's performance for the first 13 weeks. By using different colors for each quarter, you can have an entire year's worth of visual data for your team to use. Once a quarter is completed, the average percent for that quarter is entered below. For the project's first quarter, the overall PPC was 72%. Quarter 2 results are now being entered on the same chart, but in blue. You can see in the example how multiple quarters entered on the same line graph will be displayed. Best practice tips. Monitoring team performance is key to improving your project outcome. You can't analyze what you don't measure. Filling this board out properly is a powerful motivational tool for the team.